Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to answer some common FAQs when it comes to Warrior One. So, question number one is, what if I'm not feeling a stretch? So, this happens a lot if you don't have the proper hip alignment. So, what's usually happening if you're doing a Warrior One and you're not feeling a stretch is you're allowing your butt to poke out behind you. You're not keeping your lower back neutral, so there's excessive arching through the lower back. And that means that you're not lengthening the hip flexors, so you're not feeling that stretch. So to make sure that you're feeling that stretch, you want to make sure you're squeezing your legs toward one another, that your tailbone is reaching down, that your spine is neutral, so there's not excessive pinching or tightening through your lower back. And then again, your hip should be neutral. So again, not arching through your lower back, but reaching the tailbone down, hips neutral, long lower back, and hips mostly squared forward. So that's question number one. Question number two, how can I get deeper into a Warrior One? So a lot of people think that they're not getting as deep as they should be into a Warrior One. And the reason why you don't see a lot of people going that deep into Warrior One is because it takes a lot of hip mobility and it also takes a lot of ankle mobility, which are two things that are, two aspects of mobility that are pretty low when it comes to most people because we sit a lot. So if you feel like you're not going that deep into it, first of all, don't worry about that because the point of doing this pose is to feel the stretch in the right ways. If you can't do it the way somebody else is doing it, it's fine. It just means you have a different body and you have a different exercise practices. So if you can't quite get that deep into it, first off, don't worry. Just focus on the proper technique. And then secondly, a quick fix to this is you might not be pulling your hips forward. So really cool fix for this is use your front foot to pull your hips forward. So you're going to engage your hamstrings in your front foot, pull your hips forward using the strength of your hamstrings, and that's going to help you get hips forward more and you'll get that deeper stretch through the hip. But first answer is just patience. You might not be there yet in terms of your hip mobility and your ankle mobility. And those are your FAQs for Warrior One. For more information on this pose, make sure to head to the link in the description below. You'll get benefits, a full pose technique walkthrough, common errors to avoid, modifications if you can't quite do it, and get some FAQs answered. All of the information I just gave you was taken directly from my book, Yoga Fitness for Men. It was a #1 new release in 3 categories on Amazon, featured in Muscle and Fitness magazine, and also in Men's Health online. It's available all over the world, in stores and online. Make sure to check that out. And also, look at the rest of this page. We've got a full pose walkthrough, benefits, modifications if you can't quite do the posture yet, common errors to avoid, and also some answers to common frequently asked questions. And if you're not already on my members area or using one of my programs, make sure to check out the rest of the training resources on this website. There's tons of stuff here to help you learn yoga and also see and experience the benefits of yoga, help you get stronger, improve your mobility, and much, much more. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you use this pose guide and it's useful for you. And I'll see you on the next video.